Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Cybersecurity Awareness series. Today we're talking about a growing threat that doesn't always involve emails or malicious links. Instead, it comes straight through your phone. It's called vishing, short for voice phishing. And it's one of the most dangerous social engineering tactics targeting employees right now. So, what exactly is vishing? Vishing is when a scammer uses a phone call or even a voicemail to trick you into giving away sensitive information. Think about details like your login credentials, company data, financial information, or even internal processes. Unlike phishing emails that can be spotted with poor grammar or strange links, vishing feels personal because you're talking to a real person on the other end. Why does vishing work so well? It plays on human trust and urgency. A scammer might pretend to be an IT support technician asking you to reset your password, a manager or executive demanding quick action on a payment, a bank representative warning you about suspicious transactions, or even a vendor or partner verifying sensitive information. The attackers often use caller ID spoofing to make the number look legitimate. That's why your phone might display your company's help desk number, your bank's hotline, or even your boss's contact.
This is IT support. We've detected unusual activity on your account. We need to verify your username and password immediately to secure it.
Many employees, especially under pressure, will comply without realizing they've just handed over the keys to the company's systems. When vishing attacks succeed, the consequences can be severe. Account takeovers leading to data breaches, financial fraud from unauthorized transactions, ransomware infections after credentials are stolen, or even reputation damage if customer information is exposed. Remember, just one successful call can compromise an entire organization. So how can you spot a vishing attempt? Look for these red flags: urgency or pressure, act now or else, requests for confidential information, like passwords, PINs, or verification codes, unusual caller behavior, avoiding your questions, refusing to send an email, or insisting on secrecy. Caller ID tricks. The number looks real, but something feels off. Here are best practices to protect yourself and your organization. Never share sensitive information over the phone unless you initiated the call. Verify the caller. If someone claims to be from IT or your bank, hang up and call back using the official company number. Don't let urgency cloud judgment. A real IT support person or manager will never pressure you into revealing private data. Report suspicious calls immediately to your security or IT team. Companies can also help employees stay safe by running vishing simulations and training, setting up clear policies on how IT, HR, or finance will contact employees, encouraging a no-blame reporting culture so employees don't hesitate to flag suspicious calls. In summary, vishing is not just a random scam call. It's a targeted social engineering attack designed to bypass technology defenses and exploit human trust. By staying alert, verifying callers, and reporting suspicious activity, you can help protect both yourself and your organization from serious harm. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your team to help raise awareness about phone-based scams. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and I'll see you in the next video.